automation softwares made over 248%, and that's not even all year last year. So, hello, for those of you guys who don't know me, my name is Jenny Baker, the six-figure trading coach. And here we try to talk about the real, the good, the bad, the ugly, everything in between. Really, it's just, for me, about finding many ways to earn income that A, I'm not working for. B, I don't want the stress, right? Trading is a lot of fun, but man, when you're over leveraged and you're over double dipping, man, it can be a lot of stress. So definitely don't want the high amount of stress either. Just that long-term way to beat the market. If you look at S&P 500, they produce what? On average, 8% if you ask any of the experts, but some years 10 to 20, 30% a year. So if you can beat that, better yet, automated hands-free, without over-risking, you are doing something that is life-changing. And no, upfront is not going to feel that way when you're only starting with a few thousand, but over time, it is incredible to see what is happening. So this is a software I've been working on for more than 5 years. I am absolutely in love with it. We have named it Dragonfly. I'm not a developer, so I pay other people to help me build this out. Of course, we've got a great team of intelligent people who are exponentially better and cooler than me, at least at all that stuff. But here we go. So I have to kind of go over our Dragonfly. This is our beautiful little logo, if you will. This is what we're doing today. We paused it for end of year. I kind of left it paused for most of the second part of December. Let it finish out some stuff. Now we're back to enabled, and here we go. We're sitting in 1.4% drill down, and that's what we're looking at. So here's our trade sale results. You can see that I started this account in March. Full transparency, I have been working with a lot of brokers over the years, but as you guys know, in a lot of arenas, a lot of the brokers we lost access to. So we have ran this exact software on 6 and 7 figures for both personal and private funds. It is an incredible product. Now, granted, it is something you got to learn. Like, there's a learning curve here, provided you're not over leveraging, right? Provided you're following the system. We've got tons of webinars. We've got a new webinar coming in the next week or two for all the new people, but I had to at least do a year-end video to say, how did it end at the end of the year? So right now I have it set on percentages. You can kind of get an idea. In the month of March, not a full month, we made 11% and take this with a grain of salt. I am in no shape, way, or form claiming any of these tracking softwares to be 100% accurate. There are fees, swaps, slippage, considerations that just the human perception, the tech perception, this website's perception, they're all a little bit off. So figure there's some variance there and just 100% transparency. This is obviously an incredible month. We don't usually hit months like this. It just happened to be how everything worked out. We caught all the best moves at the best times. You're not going to see results like that often. They're going to happen once a year, once every couple of years. In general, you're going to see more like this, that 11%, 20%, 8%. Again, I don't know how I feel about that 8%. I think that's a little off, but 5%. And as we keep going, you can kind of just get an idea for September. This is all based off of the starting balance. So this is not accumulative, sadly. That's kind of stupid, but it is all off the starting balance, and you can kind of see that percentage going down and down and down, but 8% based off of the starting balance, not off of current gains. You can see December was very a turbulent month. We didn't close any trades on a lot of these days. We had a couple of a 1% loss day, 0.25% loss day. Otherwise, we kind of stayed flat. The thing I want to notice is you're going to stay pretty flat. And if you do take an L, it's going to be very digestible, like for the most part, right? If you're trading within the parameters we have set. And of course, now here we are into December. I'm going to turn this back to monetary here in a second. But before I do that, let's take a look at the kind of the whole 2025. So if we look at the accumulated gains, right, that is not a bad way to be at all, right? Those are some very, very impressive gains. Now, again, there's fees, there's swaps, there's things that do come in and out of this. So take that with a grain of salt. You're not going to achieve 100% of anything ever. But this is kind of where we ended at for the year for the Dragonfly. If I now go into dollars, let's do that. That's about a $50,000 hands-free income. So the first month made about $2,000. Second month, $10,000. But again, this was the outlier month. You're not going to see this all the time. I skipped May. Don't ask me why. 5K. And this is going to be very traditional. 4K. But again, that's somebody's, monthly income that you've now made passively, right? 3K, 5K, 6, 9, 8, 9, 6, 7, December, kind of a break-even month, especially after fees, kind of something to kind of be expected there. And if it's for all the way up, January, took a $10 loss, $400 gain, and now we're just now turning it back on. So this is probably because of how the swap fees and everything landed on those closed trades. Probably could have done better there with slightly looser settings, but given the time of year, I didn't have looser settings. I had everything turned off to disable kind of anything else. So to give you an idea what that monthly income looks like, that you can either, at first, you got to spend the time investing, you got to spend the time kind of rebuilding, re-adding. But once you have got an account that is sustainable for the income you're desiring, you can do a lot of things and literally print your own side income. So kind of cool stuff right there. And we do have a lot of community members who are doing really, really well. I'm going to say the quiet part out loud. If we follow the recommendations and patience, the sky is the limit. Absolutely. Cleared some drawdown overall. I know they posted it. I don't know if they posted it in this chat or if they posted it in the trade results chat, but you can see if I zoom in, one account, $700 gains. Not much. Those are conservative settings. One account is $1,100 gains. One account, $1,500. A lot of people are testing different things. They're testing different instruments, different pairs. Anna is up 23%. Swap took a decent chunk. So on their account, this is their demo account, Swap took 8,000 of that, which is hard to digest that many fees. But either way, that's $20,000-$30,000 you would not have made with or without the swap. So overall, yeah, I don't think those results are here. I think they put them in another chat. Should I give you an idea of other people's performance? His performance is definitely in the trade results. Definitely. But just to show, and a lot of them are demoing a lot of different pairs and strategies and what have you, because the settings are enormous. There's just so many. So this is where I ended for my Dragonfly for 2025. I will be hosting a live webinar for anybody who has questions in the next week or so. My daughter just headed back to Spain. So I'm not going to do this week, but for the month of January, so not this week, let's get everybody kind of back organized. But in this week right here, so if you already have the Dragonfly or you're looking to get it, this is a great time. We have, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 different webinars recorded for everybody who can just go through them one by one by one. Tons of information, tons of flashes, questions and answers and every single thing else. But we'll be doing another live one, let's say on Tuesday the 13th. Sounds like a good day to me. Of course, I'm going to ask in the group to see if that works for most people. If it does, that's the day I'll do it. I'll do it Eastern time, evening time, for anybody of those who are curious. But overall, I'm excited to see what this does. I think big picture percentages, I would like to see this kind of somewhere in around 500%. I think that's very doable. That would be my kind of targeted goal by the end of the year. I would even take 450 because as the accounts grow, you are kind of scaling back on risk, right? As you get more income, you don't need to be trying to achieve, let's say 20,000, when you can literally live very, very well for 5,000-10,000 as your side income. So we always want to build up the account and then take risk off the table when we have a choice. So that's where we're at. Here are my results. If you have questions, comments, or have not already done so, check out sixfiguretradingcoach.com. If you are interested in automation for any of the industries, we've got one that is launching for futures very, very soon. So definitely keep your eyes out. And then, of course, we've got a couple of other platforms which we have automated to create a sustainable long-term income. No, this is not Maserati money unless you're coming to the table with Maserati money. This is peace of mind money. This is, hey, I can support my family and take a trip. I can pay all my bills and not have debt. I can buy the car that I needed or help my family member that I needed. That's what this is. And then, of course, if you have a little bit more capital that you're working for, sure, it's also Maserati money. But just to paint a very honest picture, right? Here at 6FTC, we try to paint this realistic, down-to-earth perspective on investing. Because remember, I had to pull it up real quick just to show you guys. If this is VU, which is a derivative, right? It's an ETF of SPY, right? The S&P 500. This has made 18% gains from about, what is this, January 2025 until December 2025. If you can beat that by double, by triple, and we can, okay? We made 250% in, I don't know, 8 months, give or take, okay? Which you don't even have to do that. If you make 100%, you are still beating this by a whole stinking lot. Mind you, this moved up about 20% last year and will be, ish, okay? Take it with a grain of salt. I'm not trying to be the person who says an exact number. It also moved down almost 20%, so 17, right? So it moved down 17%, up about 20% on the year. If you can make 80% on the year, which remember is only about, 7% a month, give or take, okay? You're beating this by a lot. So just something to keep in mind. We've got something that can do that for you. It is something that you want to take seriously. It is something that you want to treat like a long-term investment and vehicle. You want to treat it like you're an investor and not a gambler. Because if you can beat this, which again is the best, right? Like it's the most safest, most stable. Not to say the Tesla and stuff aren't going to be better, but they're going to go up as much as they go down. Like, this is incredible. So that's all I've got on Dragonfly. I promised everybody I'd do a year-end video. So here is my happy January, excited for 2026. Thank you all for following along on the journey. As always, if you have questions, put them down below. If you find this content helpful, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and do all the things that makes YouTube show this to somebody who hasn't seen us yet. So happy 2026, happy trading, take care, and God bless.